Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we learned question number 3 related with exercise number 6.4 related with the topic range, variance and standard deviation. In today's video, we are going to solve question number 4 related with the same exercise number 6.4 related with chapter number 6 of statistics class 10 mathematics. So let's move to question number 4. It tells that the following table shows marks obtained by 10 students of two sections of 10 class. In 10 class there are two sections, section A and section B, and each of the 10 students can take the marks 7, 9, 6, 9, 4, 7, 5, 8, 8 and 7. This for the section number A. And for section B we have a mark 6, 10, 6, 4, 2, 8, 10, 6, 9 and 9, and they are required find their arithmetic mean and variance. We are going to find arithmetic mean and variance for each of the two sections. So we are going to find variance and arithmetic mean for section A. So let's draw. Let's suppose this is section A marks. So these marks is equal to the midpoint x, so we can take it is equal to x. So the first marks are 7 and second marks is 9 and third one is 6 and the fourth one is 9 and the fifth one is 4, 7, 5, 4, 7 and 5, and after this 8, 8 and 7, 8, 8 and 7. So these are the marks. We are going to find the arithmetic mean. So we already know in the previous videos that arithmetic mean for the set of data is equal to the sum of the numbers divided by total number. Sum divided by total numbers. So here the sum will be 7 plus 9 gives us 16, 16 plus 6 it gives us 22, 22 plus 9 31, 4 is 35 and after 42 and 47 and 55 and 62. 7 plus 9 it gives us 16, 16 plus 6 it gives us 22, 22 plus 9 gives us 31, 31 plus 4 35, 35 plus 7 it gives us 42 and plus 5 47 and plus 8 it gives us 55 and plus 8 it gives us 63 and 63 plus 7 gives us 70. So summation of x is equal to 70. So here put 70 because sum means the addition of the total number and divided by total number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So put 10 over here. So 70 divided by 10 gives us 7. So the arithmetic mean for section A students are 7. Now we are going to find variance. So for the variance, for the ungrouped data, this is for the ungrouped data. So for the ungrouped data, variance is equal to sigma x square divided by n minus sigma x divided by n whole square. So first we are going to find x square. So for x square, you draw values. Squaring 7 it gives us 49 and squaring 9 it gives us 81, squaring 6 it gives us 36, squaring 9 it gives us 81, squaring 4 16, squaring 7 gives us 49, squaring 5 gives us 25, squaring 8 gives us 64, 64 and squaring 7 gives us 49. So adding all these numbers will give us the summation of x square. So it gives us 5, 1 and 2. Summation of x square is 512. So put 512 over here. Divided by n is the total number, which is we already learned over here the total number are 10. So put 10 over here. After this minus of summation of x over n. So summation of x is 70 and divided by n. So 70 divided by n is the total number, which is 10 whole square. So 5.2 divided by 10, so by cancelling 0 point will come over here, so it becomes 51.2 minus 70 divided by 10 gives us 7. 7 square gives us 49. So 51.2 minus 49, it gives us 50 and 51 2.2. So the required value is 2.2. So this is the variance for section A. Now we are going to find the variance and arithmetic mean for section B by drawing a table over here. Let's suppose this is the table. Here we take the value of x and here taking the value of x square. Our first x value is 6 for section B and for section B the second value is 10, the third value is 6 and after this the fourth is 4, the fifth is 2 and and the 6th is 8, and after this the 7th is 10. After this the 8th one is 6, and after this we have 9 and 9. So 9 and 9. Now here is x square, so it means we will scaling these values. So 6 multiply 6 gives us 36. 10 multiply 10, 100. 6 multiply 6, 36. 4 multiply 4, 16. 2 multiply 2 gives us 4. 8 multiply 8, 64. 10 multiply 10, 100. 6 multiply 6 gives us 36. 9 multiply 9 gives us 81. 9 multiply 9 gives us 81. So now we are going to find the arithmetic mean for this case. So the arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all the x values. So 6 plus 10 gives us, here we write the formula summation of x divided by n. So summation of x will be 6 plus 10 gives us 6 plus 6 12, and 12 plus 10 gives us 22, and 22 plus 4 26, and 2 28, plus 8 gives us 36, plus 10 it gives us 6 plus 10 12, and 12 plus 10 gives us 22, 22 plus 4 26, plus 2 28, and plus 8 36, and plus 10 46, and 6 52, and 9 it gives us 61, and 61 plus 9 it gives us 70. So 70 divided by total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So 10. So 70 divided by 10 gives us a 7. So arithmetic mean in this case is also 7. Now we are going to find the variance by using the same formula. So variance is equal to summation of x square divided by n, summation of x square divided by n minus summation of x divided by n whole square. Now we are going to find the summation of x square, means the addition of all the values of x square. So 36 plus 100, 36 plus 36, 72 plus 100, 36 plus 100, 36 plus 36, 72 plus 100, it gives us 172, and 182, and plus 6 188, plus 4 192, and plus 100 it gives us 292, and 64. So 292 plus 64 it gives us 8, and it gives us 5, and 1 it gives us 358. After this we are going to add 36 with 8, so it will give us a value 416,793. It gives us 394. After this 80 and 80 it gives us 160, and here is 2, so 162. Add 162 over here with it, so it gives us 6 and 5 and 1. 3 plus 1 4, and here is 5. So 6 5 1, and it gives us 556. So put 556 over here. This is the summation of x square. 556 divided by our n is the total values, which is 10, minus summation of x. So summation of x we already find, which is 70, divided by our n. N is actually the total values, which is 10 divided by the whole square. So by cancelling, 0 point will come over here, so it becomes 55.6 minus 70 divided by 10. It gives us 7, and 7 square gives us 49. So it will give us 55.6 minus 49. It will give us a 6.6. So the variance in this case for the section B students of mathematics is 6.6. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about statistics. Thank you.